Sawadee and welcome to my channel. My name is Adam and I'm learning how to speak Thai. In this video, I want to share what I've learned this week. The word jai. This is my 6th jai video where I will identify another 4 new jai words and how I can use them. So let's begin. The first jai word is jep-jai. Jep-jai, to feel hurt. Jep-jai. Jep-jai is a combination of two words, jep and jai. Jep is hurt or pain, and jai is the heart or mind. Jep-jai. The first sentence example I have here is phǒm jep-jai mâag. Phǒm jep-jai mâag. I'm really heartbroken, or it hurts me deeply. Phǒm jep-jai mâag. To break this down, phǒm is I or me, jep-jai, heartbroken or hurt, and mâag is very or a lot. In this context, it is represented by the word really or deeply. Phǒm jep-jai mâag. The next sentence is a very long sentence, so I'm going to try as best as I could to pronounce the sentence correctly. Kham phût khǎawng thờ tham hai phǒm jep-jai mâag. Kham phût khǎawng thờ tham hai phǒm jep-jai mâag. Your words hurts me so much. Kham phût khǎawng thờ tham hai phǒm jep-jai mâag. Kham is word. Phût is to speak or to talk. Khǎawng thờ is your. It is made up of two words, khǎawng and thờ. Khǎawng is of or belonging and thờ is you. It is used in an informal or friendly setting. Thờ. Tham hai. Tham hai means make or cause. It is also a combination of two words, tham and hai. Tham is like tham ngan work, and tham is to do or to make, and hai is to give. Phǒm is me in this instant. Jep-jai hurts, and mâag we just learned. It is very or a lot. Kham phût khǎawng thờ tham hai phǒm jep-jai mâag. Your words hurts me so much. The next example is phǒm jep-jai thîi tham ngâai te mai-jai. Phǒm jep-jai thîi tham ngâai te mai-jai. I'm hurt that something so easy I still couldn't do it. Phǒm jep-jai thîi tham ngâai te mai-jai. Phǒm is I, jep-jai hurt. Thîi is that or which. Tham is do. Ngâai is easy, a new word I've learnt. Ther is but. My-jai is cannot or wasn't able to. In this sentence, it is represented by the word couldn't. And of course, my-jai is a combination of the word my and die. My means no or not, and die can or able to. My-jai. Phǒm jep-jai thîi tham ngâai te mai-jai. I'm hurt that something so easy I still couldn't do it. The next jai word is róan-jai. Róan-jai. Be worried or be anxious. Róan-jai. Róan-jai is a combination of two words. The word róan is hot, and jai, heart and mind. So basically, róan-jai is the opposite of jai-ron. Jai-ron, and this time is róan-jai. Róan-jai. Be worried or be anxious. The first example is phǒm róan-jai mâag. Phǒm róan-jai mâag. I'm very worried or I'm very anxious. Phǒm róan-jai mâag. Phǒm is I, róan-jai worried or anxious, and mâag very. Phǒm róan-jai mâag. I'm very worried or I'm very anxious. Phǒm róan-jai mâag. The next example is khǎo to róan-jai. Khǎo to róan-jai. He looks worried. He looks anxious. Khǎo to róan-jai. Khǎo is he or she. Do is look or appear, and róan-jai worried or anxious. Khǎo to róan-jai. The next example is mai tong róan-jai. Mai tong róan-jai. No need to be anxious. Mai tong róan-jai. My, no or not. Tong is like must, have to or need to. and róan-jai is anxious. Mai tong róan-jai, no need to be anxious. The next jai word is sà-baai-jai. Sà-baai-jai, to be comfortable. Sà-baai-jai. Sa-baai is comfortable or relaxed. Sà-baai-jai, to be comfortable. The first example is I feel at ease, I feel relaxed, or I feel comfortable. I can say in Thai, phǒm sà-baai-jai. Phǒm sà-baai-jai, I feel at ease. Phǒm is I, sà-baai-jai is relaxed, at ease, comfortable. Phǒm sà-baai-jai. Next I have Ti ni tam hai phǒm sà-baai-jai. Ti ni tam hai phǒm sà-baai-jai. This place makes me feel at ease. Ti ni tam hai phǒm sà-baai-jai. Ti ni is this place. The word ti ni is made up of two words, ti and ni. Ti means place at location. It's a location marker, and ni is this one. Ti ni, this place. Tam hai, makes. Phǒm is me or I. Sà-baai-jai, at ease or comfortable. Ti ni tam hai phǒm sà-baai-jai. This place makes me feel at ease. Next example, if I want to say I feel uncomfortable, I say phǒm rûu-sùek mai sa-baai-jai. Phǒm rûu-sùek mai sa-baai-jai. Phǒm is I, rûu-sùek is feel, mai means no, and sa-baai-jai means comfortable. So when I combine them together, mai sa-baai-jai means not comfortable or uncomfortable. Phǒm rûu-sùek mai sa-baai-jai. I feel uncomfortable. The last jai word for this video is scia-jai. Scia-jai, which means to feel sad, to feel sorry, or feel regretful. Scia-jai. Scia-jai, the word scia means to lose, to waste, to break, or to go wrong. Scia-jai. Phǒm scia-jai. Phǒm scia-jai. That is, I'm sad or I feel sorry. Phǒm scia-jai. Phǒm is I and scia-jai, sad or sorry. That's easy. Phǒm scia-jai. I'm sad or I feel sorry. The next example is Phǒm scia-jai mâag rûueng. Phǒm scia-jai mâag rûueng. I'm very sorry about this. Phǒm scia-jai mâag rûueng. Phǒm is I, scia-jai is sorry, mâag is very or a lot, gap is about or with, and rûueng is issue or story or matter, and ni is this. Phǒm scia-jai mâag rûueng. I'm very sorry about this. If I want to say I'm sorry I said that, in Thai it is Phǒm scia-jai ti phût bep nan. Phǒm scia-jai ti phût bep nan. I'm sorry I said that. Phǒm is I, scia-jai sorry, ti is that or for. This is used to link to a cause. Phût, to talk, to say or to speak. Bep nan is like that or in that way. Phǒm scia-jai ti phût bep nan. I'm sorry I said that. Next, I'm going to do a recap to say it once again, all the words and sentences that I've learned. Jep-jai, jep-jai. Phǒm jep-jai mâag. Phǒm jep-jai mâag. Kham phût khoáng ther tham hai phǒm jep-jai mâag. Kham phût khoáng ther tham hai phǒm jep-jai mâag. Phǒm jep-jai thi tham ngâai thae mai dai. Phǒm jep-jai thi tham ngâai thae mai dai. Róan-jai, róan-jai. Phǒm róan-jai mâag. Phǒm róan-jai mâag. Khǎo du róan-jai. Khǎo du róan-jai. Mai tong róan-jai. Mai tong róan-jai. Sa-baai-jai. Sa-baai-jai. Phǒm sa-baai-jai. Phǒm sa-baai-jai. ที่นี้ทำให้ผมสบายใจ ที่นี้ทำให้ผมสบายใจ ผมรู้สึกไม่สบายใจ ผมรู้สึกไม่สบายใจ เสียใจ เสียใจ ผมเสียใจ ผมเสียใจ ผมเสียใจมากกับเรื่องนี้ ผมเสียใจมากกับเรื่องนี้ ผมเสียใจที่พูดแบบนั้น ผมเสียใจที่พูดแบบนั้น Next, I have used ChatGPT for help to create simple dialogues using these 4 jai words, and these are what I've got. คุณเป็นอะไร ผมเจ็บใจมาก ทำไมเจ็บใจล่ะ เขาพูดสิ่งที่ทำให้ผมเจ็บใจ คุณดูร้อนใจนะ ใช่ ผมร้อนใจจริงๆ เกิดอะไรขึ้น ผมไม่สบายใจ คุณดูสบายใจนะ ใช่ ผมสบายใจแล้ว ทำไมล่ะ ผมได้พูดกับเขาแล้ว คุณเป็นอะไร ผมเสียใจนิดหน่อย ทำไมเสียใจล่ะ ผมพูดอะไรไม่ดีโอเคบาย That's all I have for this video. Thank you for watching. ขอบคุณที่ดูวิดีโอนะครับ